Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by defining your target keyword and two close variants so the platform understands your topic. This guides title, tags, and description. Once done, export a clear video file and craft a 1-2-minute intro with a hook in the first 10 seconds to retain viewers. Now upload the file, set visibility, public/unlisted, and immediately add basic metadata, plus a 1280 x 720 thumbnail to improve click-through rate. Next, focus on metadata and viewer experience because YouTube uses these signals for ranking. Write a 200-300 word description and place your primary keyword within the first 2 lines. This helps search and watch surface placement. Then add 8-15 tags mixing primary, long tail, and related phrases, create chapters for scannability, and set end screens and cards to boost session time. Also choose the right category and add subtitles to increase accessibility and watch time. Finally, publish or schedule and immediately promote the link across 2 social channels to capture early momentum, since initial CTR and watch time influence rank. Make sure to monitor CTR, impressions, and average view duration closely during the first 48-72 hours. These metrics tell you what to tweak. If performance lags, change the thumbnail and title to improve CTR, adjust the description and tags for relevance, and reshare. This iterative approach often recovers visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.